Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm making a beautiful Independence Day tricolor greeting card using saffron, white and green paper. Celebrate India's Independence Day by making a beautiful tricolor greeting card using saffron, white and green paper. This easy paper craft is perfect for school projects, classroom activities, teachers, students and 15th August celebrations. Follow this simple step-by-step tutorial to create a handmade card that shows your love for the nation. Materials used: tricolor craft paper, white cardstock, glue, scissors, scale, marker or sketch pens, decorative items. Optional. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And also don't forget to follow our Facebook page for more creative crafts. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye!